Oh, today we're going to make a cocktail for you. You're going to learn how to reverse dry shake unintentionally. And
maybe
a little bit about egg whites, a little bit about bitters, and maybe even an AwesomeDrinks.com coupon code.
It's fantastic.
Stay tuned. Welcome to Continental Cocktails. Dave, also known as Ian because that's his actual name, Dan and Derek are going to show you how to make rattlesnake.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
That was bad.
Shit.
Oh, that was better. So this is an egg white
look
in
at
it.
you getting all fancy.
So what he's going to do is he's going to build his drink over those glasses so you can't see anything that's happening.
That's right.
He likes it.
It's a mystery cocktail.
Yeah.
That's what we do.
This cocktail is it's egg white. Doesn't say how much, so we'll just use an egg white. 1/4 ounce of absinthe, which we'll use later.
We're going to use that right now.
We're going to use it right now?
No, I don't think we are.
No, I don't think we are.
Yeah. Add a few drops of absinthe, it's up.
Right.
But it's a 1/4 ounce in there.
Really?
Well, I did that. That's what it's written as. So.
I assumed that a 1/4 ounce.
If you want me to do something else, I'll do something else.
I just thought a 1/4 ounce was the.
Was a few drops? No.
It does say garnish with absinthe as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just start over. It's an egg white, a 1/4 ounce of absinthe, 1 3/4 ounce of rye whiskey, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, a 1/2 ounce of Demerara simple syrup, a 1:1. Ours has some gum Arabic, which makes it better. We're gonna garnish it with absinthe and Ango. Absinthe and Ango.
Absinthe.
Our Patreon subscriber, that is our executive producer down here, is David, or Dave rather. You can go to patreon.com/CMC. This recipe is submitted by John Spikes, probably in the chat. I don't know if he's in there, but I saw Eric and Steven. You should go to patreon.com/CMC. Donate to the show so that we can buy a new camera this year, so I can get rid of that blurry spot that's over there that's going to drive you crazy.
It'll make us look better. Is it going to make us look skinnier?
No, but you can see the pores in your face.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, shit. Now I'm going to have to start washing my face. We don't need to be in HD, dude.
We're in HD now.
You'll be in 4K.
We need to be in 4K, dude.
Yeah.
We don't need to be in 4K, dude.
But 4K just means when we're looking at a 4K.
We need to be in like 720.
Yeah.
Well, we are for the live stream.
Set it to whatever you want.
720 skinny mode. like can't you like?
I don't know if
like
you understand how pixels work, but
Some
like
people have-
any of the
Make
ratio.
them really, really tall. So
Yeah, can you make me taller?
720, 1080.
I know you've been trying for a while.
4K.
Some people have 4K faces. Some people have 320 faces. It's okay.
Yeah, it's
All
fine.
of those Ks aren't going to make a difference.
I'm just straight up like
there you
RGB.
go.
To get skinny,
The
you
high
need
fives
ratio.
and slow motions.
High fives and slow mo.
We're going to do... What? What? A white? Yeah, I got it. I can explain what you did wrong.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's going to be a reverse shake, apparently.
Oh, you're going to do a reverse shake?
Yeah.
He needs
It was really intentional.
What do I want?
Super intentional.
This?
no, your other one.
Sorry, give me that.
This?
That work?
This?
There.
You're saying Hawthorne.
Yeah, I told him not to take this one out.
This?
No. Put them back.
This?
Put them back. I said no.
No, Dad. Down.
Put that away. All right. Back to reality.
We gotta do
look
some
at that. So
this is-
reverse shake
That's a reverse shake.
makes
right
it foamier.
Supposed
Well,
to.
and it makes it stick better because it's already
Yeah.
cold.
But usually, when you do a reverse shake, do you shake it first and then put the egg in, or do you always put the egg in first?
Don't know. I fucked up. I'm just trying to cover
I
it.
know.
No, I think you put the egg in
I don't know, actually. I made a video on that.
Now let's see how this one comes out.
It'll probably
I think it's gonna come out fantastic.
Yeah.
Especially when you make that S. I'm waiting for it.
Look at that escargot.
Look at that.
So, if you don't understand what he's talking about, because they're using big bar words
Trading
here.
places. That was the
look
escargot thing.
So, wow, that's
Oh, look at
gonna have the
that.
foam.
Silky smooth.
Look at that. It's silky.
Like the Zohan hair.
It was all good, so you just like shook it all over the place.
Hey, sometimes you just be shaking all over the place. Sometimes you gotta splatter around.
Yeah.
Firing everywhere.
No splattering.
So a reverse shake is
You gotta like.
you chill the drink with ice. You
All right.
remove the
All right.
ice.
No, now you gotta. What? Again with the splattering.
It's the theme. It's a Pollock cocktail.
A what?
It's around-
Jackson
Oh,
Pollock.
Jeff's ball.
Anyway, so
Oh, there you go.
a reverse shake, and this is giving it time to foam up. A reverse shake is
Ah.
you chill the drink, then you add typically your egg, your egg white,
Now do we put absinthe
And then
on it
you-
too?
dry shake.
What do you do with the absinthe?
What? Oh, you mean with my
The
phone?
top, yeah, so you
A
can
few drops.
see.
But
you
I need to
can
do a
see what
few
he
drops
did.
of absinthe. Holy fuck. What do you
Use an OXO. You have one over there.
Oh, see, it foamed up good. You're
So you
so
gotta fuck
good.
it
It's
up?
because you shook it so well. Well, wait a minute.
Oh. It's a dragon. Look at that
It's a
dragon.
dragon. You like dragons?
Why is this? Oh, it's on video.
That's what she said.
That's what he said.
That's what he said, yeah.
These cocktails are very difficult.
God, it is.
Look at that.
So, are you guys gonna talk
Oh.
over me this time?
What are we talking about?
I wanted to tell people how dry shakes work.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Drop
So-
the knowledge, Derek.
So dry shaking.
Well, just stand here and listen.
I don't know.
Did you do it with an egg?
Dry shaking? Yes, put it right here. So a dry shake is just like an egg white shake you would typically do, but reverse dry shake rather, is he adds the ice first, shakes it, then you have to remove the ice, and then you do your dry shake and get all the foam in there. And the reason you do it in that order mainly is I think people say it has more foam, other people say it just makes it easier because when you're doing a dry shake warm, it can explode everywhere. We've done that
That's
plenty of
true.
times.
The cold
I-
makes the seal.
I think it actually makes a better foam.
Definitely. I mean, here
That's a good
looks
foam.
Pretty good. It's got. I mean, there's still foam down below because that drink should.
You
be,
never just want to shake egg white with ice. Just straight up. Because then it just doesn't foam up very well.
Yeah, that's like if you're gonna be lazy about it, I would say
If
just
you
leave
work
the
at
egg
a
white out.
bar and you shake a fucking egg drink,
He's had issues.
just shake it right.
He's had
Or
some
it
issues.
sucks.
Mom's watched this before. She's not embarrassed by me, I don't think.
No.
If she is, I'm sorry, Mom.
He's
So
had,
be yourself.
And when you make a whiskey sour, don't put it in a goddamn Collins glass.
don't look at me like I did it.
I know you didn't do it.
Don't serve your. I know it's a thing.
I'm just
Don't
saying.
serve your Manhattans with ice.
Yes!
Manhattans on the rocks are not a thing.
Thank you.
It shouldn't be a thing.
We need to do
like
we need
that.
a slow mo shake, a slow mo slap. I feel bad that something bad's gonna
I
happen.
feel like that's kind of gay.
I kind of do
alright.
feel like a little bit might have been kind of
It's all right.
on the
We've always
homosexual side of things.
done it.
But whatever.
It's okay. We know the wife and kids are just a ruse.
Yeah.
That's right.
It's not
I mean,
bad.
I would totally be gay if I liked boys.
It's like a...
By definition. It's not bad.
I know. It's a little sweet.
Is
That's
it
what I said, it's
black
not bad.
licoricey?
Yeah. A little bit.
It's not too bad though. The
No, it's like a... It's a whiskey sour with some...
I think the
Black
absinthe is
licorice.
actually like pretty well balanced ratio wise in there.
Yeah, because you only did a quarter
You just
ounce.
get like a little bit of it.
Yeah, yeah.
And the ones you put on the top, it just gives you that like you get like a
get a little bit of nose to
clovey
it.
black licorice.
Well, it's cool when you
spice.
drip the absinthe on there. The
It's
foam
clear.
kind of dissolves. I don't know if you noticed. There's
Oh,
a
Yeah, there's like a
couple
yellow
holes where the
dots.
absinthe went. Yeah,
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
it kind of it foamed up a little bit and then kind of made a
Yeah.
hole.
So
It
for
looked like
this,
the moon.
we used Sazerac rye, which is pretty famous for what it is, straight rye. This, unfortunately, this is a Facet 65. Me and Ian did a review of this years ago.
It's good.
And
they're
what
gone, right?
They don't exist anymore.
Yeah.
The company's gone, so you can't get this. Only me.
Oh, you
Or
can't
anybody
get
who-
it.
You just have to
can't
come
get
here.
it either,
You just have it.
Yeah. I'm the only one who can get this because I have it here, and I have a lot of it. I thought we should use it since. What are you gonna do with it? Like you gotta drink.
Gotta drink
You
it.
keep
Yeah.
it in 50 years. You say
Yeah.
you gotta try this.
Yeah, except for and that's only useful if somebody famous makes a really popular drink and now everybody wants it because it's made
So you
in
gotta
the
hang on
original.
to it. Yeah.
Maybe we just did it.
We
Maybe
did.
this is that drink. Did you ever think of that? We just changed history right here.
We change history every time we're on the internet.
That's probably true.
Yeah.
We can't-
Not necessarily for the better, but we do change it.
Yeah, there's that.
There's that.
But it's,
I think we just talk about it incorrectly.
Yeah.
Maybe that's more
That's
what it,
tricky.
I
yeah.
think I've lost a belt loop.
Oh,
I
see?
mean, I've lost a
wait, you
Nice.
physically
I've
lost
dropped a
a loop,
belt hole.
Nice.
or did the belt
Hole
loop
is
break
anymore.
off,
You
and now
lost
you're like,
that
I don't know where it is.
No, if it broke off, it's just gonna be awkward.
No, I saw it. It was hanging there.
I wear a shirt that has a pocket hanging off of it at work, and nobody says anything, so I'm okay with it.
Okay with it.
I don't really care.
I've got my I got my
You got your swinger
pineapple
underwear?
shorts on.
Well, you think it's like a style. They're like,
Yeah,
they're
I
like,
created a new style.
they're like, how much did you pay for that shirt? And you're like, oh,
Goodwill. I worked it.
What do you call that
This
style? Frustrated middle management. Not that I'm frustrated, but that's the style.
GPS reports.
But it fits perfectly, and nobody's gonna say, "Oh, what?" No, they're all gonna get it.
Yeah.
So
I think at this point, no one wants to like say something because, you know, if I'm doing something for them, they're not gonna.
Yeah.
I don't think.
Then you'll stop.
Well,
Right.
not that I would, and not that I get pissed off easy. I don't know if
Well, no,
I have
but-
that impression, that image though. So
yeah, but that's
it works for me.
People know like how management is, so they just react to this. That's the style, no matter who they have for boss.
Or you're just bigger than most people that are there. So
That is true.
Yeah.
Don't hit me.
yeah.
It's okay, I won't.
Worst person.
You're like, what about my
I wouldn't dream
pocket?
of it, really.
It's all in my pocket.
You want to say something about my fucking pocket right now?
As he's showing his knife, look what I made.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a problem with my fucking pocket?
Oh, it doesn't fit in my. Oh, well,
Oh,
that's weird.
what? Oh, I used to put it in my
That's what
pocket.
happened.
What does it
It's a
taste
good
like?
drink.
Yeah.
It tastes like a whiskey sour with a little bit of black licorice. So
Yeah.
those that don't know what that is, it tastes like rye, dry finish, a little bit of absinthe, a little bit of Ango,
Lemon.
which is slightly different.
Boston sour.
Boston sour.
Mm.
Yeah, that's the other thing is every time I say whiskey sour, there's always that one dude.
Yeah.
You mean a Boston sour because a whiskey sour doesn't have egg white.
That's me.
I just did that.
I don't know. Every time I go to the bar, I'm like, can I have whiskey sour? And they're like, with an egg white.
Yeah,
Every time.
Yeah. Does the name Drinkaholic 245 sound familiar?
Well, it is similar to like if you ordered it at this point, as if you ordered a martini, they should ask you vodka or gin.
Right.
Yeah.
They should do the same thing for a whiskey sour, egg white or no egg.
No, then they put it in a Collins glass, and you're like,
Well, if you ask for a martini,
With
they
fucking
should just
ice
give you a
and
gin
you're like,
martini
what the
because you didn't specify vodka martini.
true.
There you go.
You shouldn't have to specify.
It's getting angry
Gin-
about
it should always be gin.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That's why they should, if you just ask for a martini, they should give you a gin martini unless you specify.
Dan
keeps
gets
hitting
scared.
What's going on?
You have a knife and you're yelling and Dan's a win.
That's called angry middle management.
But killing you isn't gonna solve anything.
Yeah.
It's not sharp.
Might make you feel
Yeah,
better.
it's not sure.
It kind of looks like it's made of dragon glass, though.
Doesn't it? It's that rough finish.
Yeah, but it's more the jab. It's pretty
It's
heavy
cool.
duty.
Yeah,
Like
it
it's
was
not gonna
sorry.
bend.
Yeah, no, it's the skullcracker too.
Somebody asked once on one of our shows, like, "Oh, where do you get a knife like that?" I'm like, "Ian made it. Nothing you can do about it." It was one of the other ones you had brought on at one point.
Yeah, show and tell.
I like that drink actually. I just keep
You
sipping
buy
it.
them online actually. People make these and sell them.
You should make them and sell them.
It's your new thing, Ian.
Yeah, you make it
I know where you can
twice
make
a
an
year.
online website.
They're rare.
Yeah.
And it
Yeah.
only took 4 hours.
It's artisan.
$20.
Artisan.
4 hours. That's not a lot of money. That's like McDonald's. No, that's like half the price of
like-
working at fast food.
That's like
place.
minimum wage from before I started working.
Yeah,
Exactly.
You Etsy that shit? $400.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
You
people
just
try, yeah.
say Brad Pitt made that. Boom.
Yeah, big lie.
That's how you sell stuff. You lie.
Oh, is that
People
how
do
that
it all
works?
the
Okay.
They don't know
I'm not cut
that.
out for sale.
Hey,
Brad
hey.
Pitt is your
Speaking
cousin.
of selling stuff, if
Oh.
people use
Hey,
coupon
you sell
code,
stuff here, don't you?
yeah, if
Oh.
people use coupon code 2020, they can save 20% off until what's 3 March?
Till March 8th.
Are
Look
you
at that.
lying?
No knives in
What?
stock.
Are you lying?
No, that's for sure.
There's only one way to find it.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to find out. Put the coupon code in. If it works, I wasn't lying.
Just buy the shit anyways.
Right. So like that Liber Co Demerara Syrup. Yep, that's on AwesomeDrinks.com. So are those bitters.
Good guys.
Yeah?
Glass.
Good
So
stuff.
so is
The
the glass,
glasses?
8 ounce.
I don't have any of
coupe
those glasses, but it's okay.
And I only have 2. Dan has made some good points in that we should have these glasses at Dan's house.
That's right.
And well, we have them here, I guess. But and here we just drink more. We're right here. But at your house, like when we make cocktails, we make them with the small.
Yeah.
I end up having.
And then
to make
Jen
a
drinks
bunch
them
of
so
drinks.
fast. You don't know.
Whatever.
He's pouring the third one out for somebody, and
Yeah.
hers is gone.
Just make them in this thing. You got these.
We do. Well, that's
Yeah.
the problem, though. We get to that point,
Yeah.
I know.
and then it gets.
Yeah,
Then
the next day's a little rough.
And
Yeah.
then-
yeah,
then
the
everybody's
last night I did total coffin pose for like 2 hours in the morning. I couldn't move.
Last night?
No.
Oh.
The last time we drank.
Yeah. We do that sometimes. We do that all the time.
That happens.
The shitty game that the Pats lost.
Yep. I don't want to talk about that. That's it. We're done. Sidebar. More videos down below. Bartender kit. Could use that coupon code. Save yourself some money. That'd be awesome, right? That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.